Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to Mathsdrive. Here on this channel you watch different maths concepts and you will learn many variety of the maths concepts. तो आज जो हम टॉपिक करने वाले हैं this is about the angles formed by two parallel lines and a transversal. टू पैरेलल लाइंस क्या हैं और एक ट्रांसवर्सल क्या है और किस तरह से डिफरेंट एंगल्स फॉर्म होते हैं एंड हाउ दीज डिफरेंट एंगल्स आर रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर. Here you can see the diagram. Over here we can see that here this is line AB and here is another line CD and these two lines are parallel to each other. हमें इस diagram में ये hint दिया गया. This is the symbol. These two arrows are showing that these two lines are parallel to. So line AB and line CD are parallel to each other, and these two arrows are showing that these two lines are parallel to each other. Now the different angles are formed over here: angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. These are the different angles over here, and over here with the other parallel line, X, Y, Z, and W are the different angles. How these angles are related to each other: angle A and angle W. Angle A and angle W as shown in this statement as well. Angle A and angle W are called corresponding angles. So angle A and angle W are corresponding angles and they must be equal to each other. Angle A will be equal to angle W. So we can say angle A equals angle W, and the reason is they are corresponding to each other. Other corresponding angles are angle D will be equal to angle Z. These two angles are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means that like you can see that this is the parallel line AB and here is the parallel line CD. Angle A is on the right side of the transversal and the top angle, and angle W is also on the right side and at the above the line of this line CD. So both the angles are at the same position. You can see both are at the right side of the transversal and both are at the top of the parallel line. So angle A is corresponding to angle W. अब D कैसे है? D is down on the right side, Z is down on the right side. So angle D will be equal to angle Z, and the reason is they are corresponding. All the corresponding angles will be equal to each other. In the same manner, angle B, yes students, angle B will be corresponding to angle W. Yes, angle B will be corresponding to angle W, and angle C will be corresponding to angle Y. So in this way we are having a set of four corresponding angles and they are equal to each other as well. Similarly, my dear students, angle D and angle D are called alternate angles. Where is angle D and where is angle X? Angle D and angle X are called alternate angles. So D is on the right side of the above parallel line and X is on the left side of the below parallel line. So the transversal is cutting these angles, so this angle will be equal to this. This is called alternate angles. And the other set of alternate angles, we can say that W is corresponding to C. So in this way these are the alternate angles. So the angles which are formed like this when the transversal is cutting these two parallel lines, the alternate angles must be equal to each other. So we can say that over here in this diagram, angle D equals to angle X. The reason is alternate angle. Angle C equals to angle W. The reason is alternate angles. The next term which we have used over here is interior angles. Interior angles are angle C and angle X. They are on the same side. Angle C and angle X, they are on the same side, and when we add them, whenever we will add these two interior angles on the same side, angle C plus angle X, they will give us 180 degree. In the same way, angle W and angle D. Angle W and angle D, when we will add them, they will give us angle 180 degree. The total will be 180 degree. So this knowledge will help us to find out the unknown angles in the parallel lines. One more thing which I wanted to share, we are having vertically opposite angles as well. So this angle B is vertically opposite to D. So angle B is also equal to angle D. This is vertically opposite, and angle A will be equals to angle C, vertically opposite. Similarly, angle X will be equal to angle Z. Here is making an X or making a cross. So angle X and Z will be equal to each other. Angle W and Y will be equals to each other. The reason is vertically opposite angles. Now we will do some questions related to these lines. Here in this diagram we are having two parallel lines. ये देखें, यहाँ पर एक पैरेलल का साइन है और यहाँ पर, सो दिस इज शोइंग दैट दीज टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. और यहाँ पर टू ट्रांसवर्सल्स आर ओवर हियर. वन इज़ दिस वन इज आर एस एंड द अदर इज़ पी क्यू. तो हम इन दोनों को पहले अलग-अलग डील करेंगे. सो एंगल ए इज़ अननोन. सो अभी जैसे हमने देखा कि वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं. हेयर इज़ मेकिंग एन एक्स और मेकिंग अ क्रॉस, यू कैन सी. सो एंगल ए विल बी इक्वल टू 117 degree. So we have find it out. So by applying these rules we can easily find out the unknown angles. Okay, now this is angle A is 117 degree. अब हमें पता है, हमने सीखा है the angle which are alternate to each other, they are equal. So over here angle A and angle B are alternate to each other. So these two angles are alternate. So angle B must be equal to 117 degree. So यहाँ से हमने इसको भी find out कर लिया. So angle A and angle B are equal. Angle A की reason हमारे पास क्या आई? Vertically opposite. So we can write the reason as well. Vertically opposite. और सेकेंडली इसकी रीज़न क्या हमारे पास आई एंगल बी की? दे आर ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स. सो दीज आर द ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन सी. सी कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? वी नो वेरी वेल, we have learned in our previous class as well that whenever a straight line is there, the angle must be 180 degree. So to find angle C, we can subtract it from 180 degree. 180 minus 117. So 10 minus 7 will give us 3. 7 minus 1 will give us 6. So it is 63 degree. So the reason is straight line. Straight line, the angle must be 180 degree. Now only one is left, angle D. Angle D, which is what is the reason over here? How can we find it out? This is the parallel lines, these are two the parallel lines, and this is on the left side and this is also on the left side. So this angle D will be must be equal to 78 degree, and the reason is corresponding angles. So by using this knowledge we can find out all the unknown angles. Let's do another example. Here is the diagram. Here in this diagram, first of all we are supposed to check where are the parallel lines. So the parallel lines over here, we can see that here is the symbol of the parallel line. So parallel lines over here is CD and AB. We can extend it as well. हम इसको अपने हिसाब से extend भी कर सकते हैं so that we can easily find out the unknown angles. So these are the extended one, but AB and CD are the parallel lines because over here we are having the symbol. Now angle 83, we are supposed to find out the angle G. तो हमें इस parallel line से easily idea हो रहा है that this one is the transversal. ये इसको cancel out करता हुआ जा रहा है, कट करता हुआ जा रहा है दो lines को. So this 83 and G. So students, G is equal to 83 degree. What is the reason? Yes, the reason is alternate angles. These are the alternate angles. When two parallel lines are there and a transversal is there, G and 83 are alternate angles. So यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे alternate angles. Reason is alternate angles. Now the next we are supposed to find angle H. That's also very easy because this one and this one, these two are the parallel lines and now AE is the transversal. So आप देखें कि 69 and H are the at the same position. यहाँ पर इस लाइन के राइट साइड पे और इस पैरेलल लाइन के भी राइट साइड पर ये एंगल बन रहा है. सो angle H must be equal to 69 degree and the reason is corresponding angle. So students, you have seen that we can easily find out the unknown angles in the parallel lines and the transversal is there. Only we should have the knowledge of the alternate angle, corresponding angle, vertically opposite angle and the internal angles. Another example. In this example, what do you feel? Where are the parallel lines? Yes, the parallel lines are CD and AB because the symbol is over here. अब इसमें two transversals and both of the transversals are starting from the same point. So we need to be very careful in this question. क्या करेंगे? एंगल कौन सा फाइंड करना है? A and 2B. So एंगल A इस ट्रांसवर्सल से बन रहा है. So we will study this transversal first. So there is an AB and CD and this is the transversal. तो यहाँ से हमें क्या पता चल रहा है? एंगल दिस इज 38 और ये एंगल इसके कौन से टाइप में आ रहा है, किस तरह से आ रहा है? सो यू कैन सी डैट एंगल ए इस पैरेलल लाइन के नीचे आ रहा है ट्रांसवर्सल के और ये भी, एंड बोथ आर ऑन द राइट साइड. सो एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू एंगल 38 डिग्री एंड द रीजन इज करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल. नेक्स्ट 2B हमें फाइंड करना है. सो हम इस ट्रांसवर्सल को इस वक्त कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे. वी आर कंसिडरिंग ओनली दिस वन बिकॉज दिस वन ट्रांसवर्सल इज मेकिंग 2B ओवर हियर. सो इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल दिस होल इज दिस वन. दिस होल इज करस्पॉन्डिंग टू दिस. सो 2B मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 30 प्लस ए एंड ए की वैल्यू हमें ऑलरेडी मालूम है. सो 30 प्लस 38 it will give us 68. So 2B is equal to 68 and to find out the value of B we will divide 68 by 2 which will give us 34 degree. So the value of B is 34. So in this way we can find out the unknown angles. Thank you students. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and share it as well.